Yes students, in 9.4 exercise we have used variable separatable method for solving a differential equation. But now in exercise 9.5 we will solve the homogeneous differential equation. Now see, firstly listen what is homogeneous differential equation. If any differential equation is in this form, in the numerator value function of x and y variable, in denominator also any function in x and y variable is given to you. If any differential equation you have in this form, then that differential equation is known as a homogeneous differential equation, in which separation of variable is not possible. In that case we will use this method. So now see how you will simply solve the homogeneous differential equation. In this complete exercise we will use this method. So I am explaining you few sums, 4-5 sums of this exercise. Remaining sums you will try yourself. Method will be same in all the sums. So now see question number 1. If you see here, statement of question number 1, differential equation is x square plus xy into dy. This is equals to x square plus y square into dx. So this differential equation can be written as dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. Degree of both the equations is same. This is also function of x and y variable. In denominator also function of x and y variable is given to you. In case of homogeneous, degree is also same. So this is homogeneous differential equation. Separating the variables x and y is not possible in this case. If you can try, you try yourself. You can try to separating the variables, but it is not possible in this case. Now see how you will simplify it. In this case you can take x square common. So after taking x square common, it can be written as 1 plus y by x whole square divided by 1 plus x is cancelled with xy by x, and the common x square is cancelled with x square. So you will get dy by dx. This is equal to 1 plus y by x whole square divided by 1 plus y by x. So here you are getting terms in form of y by x. So in such type of terms in method for solving this homogeneous differential equation, always you will put y is equal to vx. Now see how you will simplify it. We are changing this homogeneous differential equation in such type of differential equation in which separation of variables is possible. Now just now separation of variable is not possible, but after taking this substitution it will be easy to separating the variables. Now see, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Here we using product rule, v remains as it is. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Now x remains as it is. Derivative of v with respect to x is dv by dx. V is here any variable. Now what is the using this result here, value of dy by dx and value of y here. So after using these results in this differential equation, you will get v plus x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus, in place of y by x, if y is equal to vx, what is value of y by x? This is v. So write down here 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v. Now in this differential equation two variables are present, v and x. Now it is very easy to separate variables v and x. So after separating variables v and x, you will get here x into this plus v comes on this side, it becomes a minus v, and when you will take LCM here, simplify it, 1 plus v, it becomes 1 plus v square minus v and minus v square plus v square is cancelled with minus v square. You will get 1 minus v by 1 plus v, and on this side x into dv by dx. Now taking these terms containing v variable on this side, so it becomes 1 plus v by 1 minus v into dv, and shift these terms containing x variable on another side, you will get dx by x. Now this 1 plus v by 1 minus v, it can be written as 2 by 1 minus v minus 1. Now taking integration on both sides. Now I am erasing the statement because space is not there. Now see how you will do next step. When you will take integration on both sides, then this 2 is constant term, taking this 2 outside. After taking this 2 outside, you will get 2 integration of 1 by v minus v is log 1 minus v, and integration of 1 with respect to v is equals to integration of 1 by x is log x, and plus integration constant c. So here all the terms are in log, so you will write down constant term also in form of log. And in this case, see here what is the value of v. This minus v goes to that side, it becomes plus v. And what is the value of v here? V is equals to 2 log this log m plus log n. It can be written as log m into c. This can be written as this log x plus log c, it becomes log x into c, and here this 2 comes on this side, it becomes log 1 minus v whole square minus v, or you can say v is equal to log 1 minus v square. When this term comes on this side, it becomes negative, and log m minus log n, this is equals to log m by n. So in this way you can write down log 1 minus v whole square by xc, this is equals to v. Just variable separatable method is used here. And when you will take exponential on both sides, then this log is cancelled with exponential, here it becomes log e raised to power v. But here you are getting solution in terms of x and v, but in the statement differential equation is given to you in form of x and y variable. So in the last step, in place of v you will put the value of v. And what is the value of v? V is equal to y by x. So in place of v you will write down y by x. So this is the solution, general solution of a given differential equation. Listen again. In the starting, separating the variables is separation of variables is not possible. So in such type of homogeneous differential equation, you will put y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy. It depends upon the statement. And after that you will put the value of y by x and dy by dx, and then the differential equation is becomes in x and v variables, and then it will be possible to separating the variables x and v. And after that you will use the method which you have used in separation of variables method, means which you have used in previous exercise. So in this way you can complete this exercise. Now see next question, question number 2. In question number 2, differential equation is y dash. Y dash can be written as dy by dx. This is equals to x plus y by x. If you see here, degree of numerator and denominator is same. So here this taking this x variable separately, it can be written as 1 plus y by x. So in this equation also you will put y is equal to vx. If you are taking y is equal to vx, differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Use these values in the given differential equation. You will get v plus x into dv by dx. This is the value of dy by dx. This is equal to 1 plus y by x is v. So this plus v comes on this side, it becomes minus v. V is cancelled with v. So you will get x into dv by dx. This is equals to 1. Now dv is equal to dx by x, separating the variables. Now taking integration on both sides. Integration of 1 with respect to v is v. Integration of 1 by x is log x plus integration constant c. So this is the general solution. Now in general solution, in place of v put the value of v. V is y by x. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to x into log x plus cx. So this is the required solution of a given homogeneous differential equation. Listen again, we have put y is equal to vx, taking derivative with respect to n both side. Then in the given differential equation we will put the value of y by x as v, and you will put dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Then given differential equation is changed in x and v variable. Then you will separate the variables which you have used in previous exercise, variable separatable method. So here in the first step, variable separatable is not used because it is homogeneous differential equation. Firstly you will use some substitution in the given statement, then you will use variable separatable method. Now see question number 3. In question 3, given differential equation is x minus y into dy minus x plus y into dx. This is equal to 0. So this can be written as dy by dx is equal to x plus y divided by x minus y, or taking x common it can be written as x plus y by x or 1 minus y by x. So again same substitution, you will put y is equal to vx, then it gives you dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So it can be written as this differential equation using these values. V plus x into dv by dx, this is equals to 1 plus v by 1 minus v. So this v comes on this side, it becomes minus v. So after simplifying it, you will get x into dv by dx, this is equals to 1 plus v square by 1 minus v. Now separating the variables, 1 minus v by 1 plus v square, this is equals dv, this is equals to dx by x, or this can be written as, taking this 1 plus v square separately, it can be written as 1 by 1 plus v square minus v by 1 plus v square. Now taking integration both side, after integrating you will get, this is tangent inverse v minus half into log 1 plus v square, because in this case you will multiply and divide it by 2, and 2v is derivative of 1 plus v square, so it becomes f dash x by fx, it can be written as log 1 plus v square. This is equals to log x plus integration constant c, and in the last step in place of v you will put y by x, so you will get the solution in terms of x and y. So this is exercise question number 3. Sometimes in some questions in place of y is equal to vx, we will put x is equal to vy. In that case, in that such type of questions, in place of dy by dx, you will have dx by dy. So I will explain such type of one question also. So remaining sums you will try yourself. Now see one more question of this exercise, in which in place of y by x you have x by y. So see question number 10. In question number 10, statement is 1 plus e raised to power x by y into dx plus e raised to power x by y 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. Here in this type of differential equation, in place of x by y you have here x by y. So in place of putting y is equal to vx, in this type of question, in such type of questions you will put x is equal to vy. Just we have interchanged x and y. So now see this question also. This is last question of this video. Remaining questions you will try yourself. Now here firstly, in place of dy by dx, in this you will write down dx by dy. This is equals to minus e raised to power x upon y 1 minus x by y divided by 1 plus e raised to power x by y. So in this type of question you will put x is equals to vy. When you will put x is equal to vy, differentiating now, you will differentiate both side with respect to y. Derivative of x with respect to y, dx by dy, v remains as it is. Derivative of y with respect to y 1 plus y remains as it is. Derivative of v with respect to y is dv by dy. So using these values you will get v plus y into dv by dy. This is equals to minus e raised to power v 1 minus v by 1 plus e raised to power v. Now this plus v comes on this side, it becomes minus v. When you will simplify it, y into dv by vy, you will get minus e raised to power v plus v into e raised to power v minus v plus v into e raised to power v. This is cancelled, and here you will get y into dv by dy. This is equals to minus of v plus e raised to power v divided by 1 plus e raised to power v. And when you will separate the variables, then you will get 1 plus e raised to power v by v plus e raised to power v into dv. This is equals to minus dy by y. Now remaining part you will do yourself. Next step is integrating both sides with respect to v and y, and in the last step in place of v you will put what is the value of v. V is x by y. So after putting v is equal to x by y, you will get the complete solution of this differential equation. So this is the solution of a homogeneous differential equation. So by using this method you will complete this exercise.